Yeah, I would say that when FDCI, of course, we formed like sitting like this in my living room, that the designers should come together on a platform, and there need to be some sort of recognition of what they are doing. And today we have loads of students who are coming up from so many different fashion designing schools. And everybody can do something which is better, but they need a platform. So a platform like this, I would say, would be very, very interesting to see how it comes up, because it can give a platform to so many young budding talents, and they are the future today of our country. And the recognition that we are getting for the crafts that we have is something that the world is looking up to, because everywhere in the world this is dying. Nobody is doing what this country is doing. So the world has now started coming towards India to buy things, to look at things. And if we are trained, if we know how to do it, and if we can present it, tomorrow we can put a pin up there in the world as, and we can put a star, and this star can be given only with this star, only our students can achieve. And I suppose a platform like this is going to go a long way in molding the students in the right way, because यहाँ पे बच्चों को ना कोई एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है, बट किस तरह से प्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं, कैसे हेयर एंड मेकअप को ट्रीट किया जाता है, किस तरह से पूरी लुक एक साथ में प्रेजेंट बनाई जाती है, वो सारी चीज़ें सिखाई जाती है, तो आई मीन सीखने को मिलती है. सो आई वुड से इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेटफॉर्म. And I would say hats off to the organizers to be thinking of such a thing. And you're very lucky that FDCR is coming here for you, and you do not have to go and run around very much. And you should consider yourself blessed, and all the best wishes to the organizers. Congratulations on such a big feat. You've achieved a lot, and may you succeed beyond success.